Hello and welcome back to my classroom. This video is all about learning French together. Today's class is all about learning French as a beginner. In my class today, I'll be teaching you 10 basic greetings along with their responses. Salutation or greetings. How do we pronounce it? We pronounce it as salutation. These are commonly used words, phrases, and sentences that we use in our everyday life. These are some of the basic dialogues used between two or more people. Let's begin with the very basic greeting, bonjour. This is the most widely used greeting, meaning hello or good morning in English. It is polite and appropriate in most of the situations. How do we pronounce it? We pronounce it as bonjour. Next comes the midday greeting, that is bon après-midi. Bon après-midi. It is good afternoon in English. This is used as a greeting or a farewell, wishing someone a pleasant afternoon. Bonsoir. This means good evening. This greeting is used in the evening, just similar to the English usage of good evening. And the last greeting of the day, what is it? Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. This means good night. Salut. This is a casual greeting similar to hi or hey in English. This is often used among friends and informal settings. Now comes the question, how are you? Now this how are you can be expressed in two ways. Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? These are the two ways of expressing how are you. But there is a difference, a little difference based on the usage of these two sentences. Now, comment allez-vous? This is how are you, but the usage differs. We say comment allez-vous or how are you in every formal occasion when we meet people elder to us, people not very much known to us, people to whom we show respect. And comment ça va is a more informal way of asking how are you to our friends and family. Now, when we are asked how are you, what will be our response? What will be our answer? Now I will tell you. Now again, here also we have two ways of answering this question of comment ça va, comment allez-vous. Now, if you get to hear the question comment ça va, what will be your response? Ça va bien. Ça va bien. If someone says comment ça va to you, you can respond with ça va bien. And if someone asks you comment allez-vous, then je vais bien. Je vais bien. I am doing well. It is more appropriate for the question comment allez-vous. Next is merci or thank you. How is it pronounced? It is pronounced as merci. It is not merci. It is merci. It is used to express gratitude to someone close to you as well as to someone who don't know you. Then we say merci. The next is you are welcome. When someone says us thank you, what do we say? We say we are welcome. You are welcome. So, what is that? It is je vous en prie. And also another way, de rien. Both are you are welcome. But they have different levels of formality. Je vous en prie is often used in more formal situation, whereas de rien is informal and is more commonly used with friends and family. Next comes goodbye or bye-bye. It is called au revoir. Au revoir. It means bye-bye or goodbye. Now, you can see the spelling on your screen. Au revoir it is written, but we do not pronounce it as au revoir. Neither we say au revoir. Both are incorrect. Here there is a little R is not silent. R is not silent, but it is little bit suppressed or little bit low. Au revoir. It is not au revoir or au revoir. It is au revoir. Next is à bientôt. À bientôt refers to see you soon in English and is used when you expect to see someone again in near future. Then we say à bientôt. And if the person is not expected to see immediately, that means when somebody is saying us goodbye and there is a very less chance of meeting that person in near future, then we do not say à bientôt, we say à plus tard, or we say à tout à l'heure. How do we pronounce? À tout à l'heure or à plus tard. So, this is all about the 10 greetings that I wanted to teach you. Now, if you have any queries regarding this, you can write it in the comment box. And if you find my video to be helpful to you, then do subscribe my channel, like and share it to more and more people. Also, do not forget to leave your comments, because it will motivate me to make more videos for you as well as to correct my mistakes. And do press the bell icon to get immediate notification whenever I upload any video. So, meet you in my next session. Till then, bye-bye.